I got a bit nervous. So, at Esenca, we offer solutions for body measuring using only smartphones. And the biggest market context and challenges are the fact that everybody wants precise and repeatable body measurements, and everybody wants it to be non-invasive, contactless, and as easy to make as possible. And if possible, with not any tool available, just your phone. So we're trying to address that. And the problem is that the traditional anthropometry relies on manual measurements, which are hard to scale, annoying, prone to errors, and so on. The specialized equipment is either expensive or bulky or not available everywhere. And also, not only patient, but user compliance is usually low when you make them do complex procedures. So it needs to be fast and easy to do. So Esenca provides three types of solutions. One is for full body, which scans the body, obviously. And we also have two different solutions for hand and for foot, which are dedicated for these body parts. What makes us different? Because as you can know, there are lots of solutions in the market, but it is not enough to have a great measuring solution. And out-of-the-box solutions usually have lots of problems because real-world conditions differ from client to client. So problems are like measuring conditions, like poor lighting, cluttered background, improper clothing, discrepancies in data. We found lots of differences in size charts, and also we found out that clothes shrink after washing. Also, there are a lot of errors and inconsistencies, and the material, the fabric from which the garments are made, have different properties. So out-of-the-box solution like here, take this scan, use it, usually doesn't work. What we do is we do a calibration and workshop with clients, either they are medical or workwear, where we try to understand their specific garment, the specific product, to see what does it mean for that specific product to fit. So we measured, for example, 20 people, and we gathered the ground truth data from that. Then we use some of our algorithms in order to update our recommendation algorithm. Afterwards, the recommendation rate greatly improves. And out-of-the-box models usually, even under the best conditions, go to 40–60% accuracy for size recommendation. But after we do calibration, we easily achieve 90% or more. And for example, we have one client, SET, who uses our solution for a few years now. And we have achieved great results in this collaboration because we continuously improved our solution based on their feedback, and their feedback was valuable. So now when you scan a person multiple times, the variance is ±3 millimeters for the lower body part. And 91.4% of all measurements have an absolute error of below 7.5 millimeters. So this is what you could expect from body measurement scanning. In our presentation, you will see also size recommendation, and we'll talk more about how these processes of calibration work. But you could expect, in general, for the body to have like 1.5 to 3 centimeters mean average error for larger circumferences, and 0.7 to 1.5 centimeters for smaller circumferences. And this, you have to understand, this is under real-world conditions. So for the SET use case, we have the best scenario possible, where all conditions are met. But in the real-world conditions, this is the results you could expect, and a size recommendation of 81 to 94%. We will talk more about this. And this is our current geographic deployment areas. And you can see also Australia here. Yeah, we had to develop an upside-down app for them. And we can talk more about this. Please, if you are interested, come to our presentation. It's today at 5:22 p.m. and hope you will find great value in our presentation. Thank you.